Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, today we'll be looking at app creation and publishing. Basically, we'll be looking at ways we can create an app, how to host it on Google Play Store, how to create traffic on the app also. So join me in this ride as I take you through. Okay, going through Google Play Store, you will notice that there are some apps which are not available yet, and for those that are available, they have thousands of users. That leaving a gap for those that want to tap into this leakage of app creation. Okay, app creation is not like web creation where you need domain, you need host and other services. App creation is a bit easier than that. You don't really require much money to start an app. Before you create a mobile app, you have to have a niche. A niche is a specific area of the market which you want your mobile app to capture. What area, what audience are you trying to get? What problem is your app supposed to solve? You get. So, and if you want to know the amount of apps and demands for the apps that you want to create, you can go to Google Play Store, type in your app name or to be able to know if the app already exists on Google Play Store and the amount of demand for that app. We don't really need to create an app with much complex technology. We just want to create something that provides information, pictures, and guide. All we need to do is just to create few blog posts and put it into the mobile app so that your users can go into the app and read the contents. So we'll be heading now to blogger.com to create a blog. Then we'll have to download images related to our niche. Then upload images to our blog to create a new post. To create a blog type mobile app, we can use services like AppsGuestar or AppyGen. Okay, now we go to blogger.com to able to copy our link. Okay. I already have an account with them. If you are just joining, you can create your account. Over here in my account, so I've created it. So you just have to create your account, your email, password, then some few other things. Then just copy I've created a blog already. I've written one or two things. Then I come here, copy my URL link. So just copy that. Then we'll head over to appjester.com. So now we're going to be typing appjester. Okay. So if you have not created an account on appjester, you have to create an account. I already have an account there, so let's just so let me just log in here. Let me just log in with Google instead. Yeah. Let me just go log in with Google. I think it's faster that way. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is me. So all you have to do is we're looking for the free. Okay, these are the premium offers. We're not going here. Just come to help over here. Okay, see here, right here. I have my work here already, an app here, which I linked to my YouTube channel. This work over here, but now I want to link I want to link one to my blogger URL link. So that's what we're going to do now. So that's what I'm trying to show you guys. So just hold on while it loads. While it loads. Okay, this is if you want to publish your app. If you want to publish an app. So after you have created it, then if you want to publish it, then you go ahead. But now let's go to, okay, let me go back. Sorry. Let me go back. Create app. Yeah, create app. You just hold on, let it load. Let it load. Okay. Okay, come over here. We impute the URL link we copied before. Okay, right here you can see it's my blog website. Then name, what name do you want to use? Let's say digital skills again. Let me just use easy digital skills. Let me start with the capital letter. Okay. Okay, just copy my email. Next. Okay, I think there's an issue here. Oh, I see where the problem is coming from now. Sorry, just hold on a little. Okay, I think we're good to go now. Yeah. So I've opened it. Okay, see my work is already in. You can see all my write-ups on my blog. See, you can see it over here. So what next do we want to do? Do you want to customize? Let's see what we can customize right here. Okay, let's just upload icon. Let's see. No, let's leave that. Let's just go ahead to the next step. Let's see which color should I pick now. I like this color though. Let's just, okay. Let's just go ahead to, if you want to add an icon, you can add your WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, blog, whatever icon you want. Let's click on WhatsApp. Okay, if you want your users to be able to reach you, just add it over here so that they can reach you in case. Sorry about that. Okay. Get to you shortly. Okay. Contact us. Okay. I think that's all. Okay. Facebook. Okay, let me just leave that. Let me just go with it. My blog. Should I say add blog? Okay, let me add my blog. So you can see we have our site, we have WhatsApp, we have the blog over here. So what next? Let's look around. What else do you want to do? Add layout, view, bottom, add bar. Let's see. Okay, let's go back. Listen. Okay, I don't think I need that. Slider, bottom menu. Let's see. Let's view these options over here. Slider. I think we should go for the slider. So after you have created your apps, after creating all this, you can decide to download it. You can download it to your system, your phones. You can download it to your phones, yeah. So, and if you want to publish it, how to publish, just come over here. After creating your app, you come over here, how to publish. So it shows you what you need to do. So you have to submit it to Google Play Store for verification. There's a certain amount you have to pay, I think $25 or so. Okay, we'll get to that. We'll get to that very soon. We'll get to that very soon. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, these are the steps. These are the steps you need, and they also have a video how you will how you can publish it. First of all, you visit the Google Play Developer Console, sign up page, and follow the guide. Fill in your account details, pay $25 registration fee, verify your identity. Then I think you have to wait for 48 hours or so for it to be fully processed. So let's see here. Let's see here. Here is a video to how you can actually publish it. So let's see. Let's watch together. Okay. Hope you guys can see this. Okay, click on your social media platform, click on next. Okay, this is developer account. Okay, your name, contact name, email address, language, country. Okay, your contact phone number. Your contact phone number is over here. Your address, contact address is over here. Okay. Okay. So you have to input your city, your state, your zip code. So you have to verify your phone number over here. They'll send you a code, you verify it, click on next. Okay, number of apps you want to publish. Okay, you have to answer some few questions over here. Okay, if you want to monetize your app, you click here, it's over here. Why do you want to monetize it? You want ads on your app, in-app purchases, subscription on the app. Okay. So I'm not publishing mine yet. That's why I'm not showing you guys. I'm not going through doing it myself right now. So I just want to show you guys the steps if you want to publish yours. Okay, you have to agree to the terms and the conditions. Now create account and pay. It's that simple. So you have to, after that you have to wait for about 2 days. That's 48 hours for it to be registered. Okay, that's it. So I just showed you guys how to create free apps on apps Guesser. Doesn't require you to pay anything. So and you have to go to um, Google Play developer to be able to publish it. If you don't want to publish it yet, then you can just download it, or even if you want to still publish it, you can just download it. The work will automatically save on your appjester.com. So anytime you can always go back and publish it. So let's download our app here. Okay, our app is downloading over here. You can see it over here. It's already downloading. Apps you can use, you want to use to build, show pictures, simple messages like information you get, not the complex one that you need more than one person to actually operate or to maintain. You understand? You get what I'm trying to say? Okay, so this is it. This is it. So I've just built a free app here on AppGester. But where the money comes in is when you are about to publish it. You have to pay about $25 to Google Play developer. You have to register. So okay, my app is still loading. Oh, okay, you can see our app over here. Yeah, our app is over here. It has downloaded already. So it might not open based on based on I'm using a Chromebook. Okay, based on I'm using the Chromebook to actually install it. It may not install. You get? Okay, but you can always log your Android phone to into appjester.com, into that your account, then download it from there, then install it on your mobile phone. It may not work here based on I'm using a system. So that's just it. The next step you want to do is to go publish it on Google Play developer. That's just it. Then you have to wait for about 2 days. After you paid the $25, you input the requirements, any questions they will ask you, and you wait about 48 hours to confirm your registration. And from that, your app is ready to go. After it, I've gone through review and all. Okay, right over here, look at the screen. See it over there. Easy digital skills. You can see the app over there, right? So that is the app. That is what we're talking about. So now let's open the app. Let's see what it contains. So we can see now, improving your online skills. So that's the link I copied. I pasted on the appjester.com. So you can also see my previous works on digital skills to learn, app creation over here. See, powered by Blogger. And again, down the next page, you can see adverts. Yeah, super deal up to 70% off adverts. You'll be able to run adverts on your app. So it's that easy, that fast and easy. So I hope this video has been able to help. So that's it. That's basically it. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and share. Thank you. Shall see you in the next video. Bye for now. Peace out.